friends, welcome to Miss Mary's how-to video series. Today I'm going to show you how to do one of my popular toddler programs called Box Party at home. Now I know that a lot of us get a lot of mail and some of that comes in boxes, and that's all you really need for this program. As you can see, there's all sorts of boxes around me. I have little ones, I have a big one behind me. Any boxes will do. You could even use empty food boxes. And what you do is you can stack them up. You can use the bigger boxes to be a boat or a rocket ship or anything like that and crawl inside, go for a ride with your grown-up or an older sibling. And what I like to do in Box Party too is have a bunch of crayons out so you can color on the boxes. So that is an easy way to have Box Party at home. See you soon.